Need a zipper replaced on a coat or jacket? Do you have a favorite pair of shoes in need of new soles? All Leathers and Repair in Norwich offers zipper replacement and shoe repair at a reasonable price. Conveniently opened Monday through Saturday, you can drop off your repair items at their store on South Broad Street in downtown Norwich. While you're there, browse All Leather's impressive selection of leather coats, jackets, chaps, and more, plus a massive selection of patches and leather accessories. All Leathers and Repair. Visit us online, call, or stop by today.